How many of us are familiar with the word Campa? C-A-M-P-A, Campa. Would you like to know what it is? I think we should go beyond that Campa. It stands for Compensatory Afforestation Management, Compensatory Afforestation Fund Management and Planning Authority. It's called CAMPA, C-A-M-P-A, Compensatory Afforestation Fund Management and Planning Authority. This is now being implemented, sir, under the directions of the Supreme Court, in about 8 to 9 states in India. Just last month, this month rather, there was a very important national consultation, which very clearly addressed issues pertaining to these, and there is a lot of funds available, and I am sure I would like to note that the role for corporate involvement in community and in compensatory afforestation is very, very large. I'd like to note that. This is a proactive initiative. I just wanted to add a little more to what was being discussed here. Now, again, I'm a bit selfish. From the council point of view, I thought I should ask Dr. Jadeja. The information you presented with respect to the plants and the carbon sequestration potential was very interesting. But is it correct to imagine that a lot of this is based only on models? I may be wrong, please correct me. Or number two, what is the scope for involving institutions through a network, which is already being done through the Ministry of Environment and Forest and the NATCOM, the National Communication Process? Can we go beyond that? Therefore, the question is this all the amount of information available, or what are the institutions? For instance, the Center for Ecological Sciences, Indian Institute of Science, is represented in the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change and Forestry. The question, therefore, is what is the extent to which there is empirical, real information on forests and their sequestration potential in India? If the answer is yes or no, kindly explain. Or number two, what is the extent to which it is really possible, going beyond JFM and others, right, to understand the link between forestry and agriculture? We know that there can be alternative hosts to insects, viruses, microbes, and most importantly, I can challenge you on this, correct me if you're right or wrong, there is no information relating the allelochemicals and the allelopathic impacts of forestry on soils. I'll be happy to explain what they are based on your answer. Thank you very much.